The Mpow MDots. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget pair of earbuds, the Mpow MDots. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, micro USB charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips and earwings. The MDot features 4 hours of listening time, 20 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX6 waterproof. The case is compact and has a capsule shape. It has a matte finish all around with the Mpow branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you'll find the status LED. And on the back, you have the micro USB charge port. The lid is magnetic and it feels tight when opening and closing. Earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a simple design with a matte finish all around. It's small in size and you have the ear markings on the inside. On the outer face, you have the Mpow branding along with the button control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable earwings and ear tips, charging contacts, button control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.5 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 31 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
That you feel better. The town knows simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. The town knows little lies. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. To my sins, I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow MDots microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone quality was just okay. It came in a bit low for my liking. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the MDots. They created a tight, secure fit and the earwings really help. There's good passive noise isolation as well. They're very light and at times you don't even know you have them on. And I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The button controls were responsive and it doesn't require a lot of pressure to activate. Build-in quality is good. The case has a simple, compact design. It feels durable along with the earbuds. The earbuds have a slim profile and don't protrude out once seated in your ears. The button controls were responsive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 4 hours and 20 total with the case. I would have liked to seen USB-C instead of micro. I like the IPX6 rating, so this should protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, I was very impressed. The bass came in heavy, deep, and punchy, and definitely didn't expect that from the small design. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. I would describe the experience as very energetic, and it leans more towards a warmer sound signature. Overall, for the price point, these have great value. The sounds delivered just like the previous models that Mpow has released. You can't go wrong with the price if you're looking for a budget pair. So that is my review of the Mpow MDots True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.